of our sightseeing in Munnar, and today we are heading in the fourth direction of Munnar, which is the Thekaddy direction. Being in Munnar, which is so popular and well known for its tea plantations, how can we not do a tea garden visit, isn't it? So we are going to a tea garden which is called the Lockhart Tea Garden. Let's meet when we reach there. We followed the Gap Road and stopped at the Lockhart Gap Road viewpoint to enjoy this beautiful scenery there. So friends, we have reached the Lockhart Tea Garden and we are here, and that is the entrance. Through that you can go inside the tea garden and take beautiful photos, videos. So this garden is accessible to public, so you can go inside and just capture your memories. It has started raining as well, so we are just taking out our umbrellas. Lockhart Tea Park is located under Chokramodi Hills on Munnar Thekaddy Road. This park is open to public and the entry fees is 20 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children. Here one can experience the lush green tea plantation from close quarters and can even pluck tea. Friends, the details of all these famous tourist spots and the entry fees I'll be sharing in my description box. From the tea park, we headed towards the Lockhart Tea Factory. The factory mainly showcases the process of orthodox tea manufacturing. The complete tour of the factory takes round about 1 to 2 hours. This is the retail outlet of the factory. From there, we headed towards a chocolate factory called the Macofa Chocolate Factory.
After 10 days, we will wash it properly. Dry it in sunlight for 2 days, and we will roast it. After washing and roasting, we will remove the shell. Inside the shell, we have the coconut. This is the coconut. There is some underbus.
When in Munnar, a visit to a chocolate factory is a must, and Macofa Chocolate Factory seems to be the most famous one there. The best part is you can taste the chocolates before buying them, and you can get different varieties of milk chocolates, dark chocolates which have like dry fruits or fruit pulp. You can taste and decide which ones you want to buy. There are multiple varieties of chocolates, and they also have delivery, online delivery all across India. Another good thing was to see the real cocoa trees in front of their outlet. From there, it was time for a little bit of tradition.
Ladies and gentlemen, we happy welcome to Kalari Kshetra. Now presenting first product, Kathakali. Kathakali Kerala classical temple art form in 17th century.
So we went to Kalari Kshetra, which conducts regular daily shows of Kathakali dance and the martial arts form called Kalaripayattu, which comes from Kerala itself. So it was a beautiful evening of tradition and Kerala arts. First part of the Kathakali was some demonstration with the eyes that this artist was doing, and after that it was the actual Kathakali dance. Mostly the Kathakali dance is based on some scenes from either Ramayana or Mahabharata, and we were just spellbound to see the flawless performance of these local artists. Friends, if you reach Kalari Kshetra well ahead of time, you can even see witness these artists getting ready for the performance, which is an elaborate and unique process. The shows run from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., which is the Kathakali performance, and after that from 6 to 7 p.m. it is the martial arts performance. Friends, I hope you are enjoying my recent videos from the Kerala trip. If yes, I request you to subscribe to my channel IV Endeavors to stay connected with me and my channel. After Kathakali, it was time for the martial arts.